Okay, good day everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video of your choice using free AI tools. After watching this video, you discover that you don't need to subscribe to any premium AI app anymore. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so that YouTube will turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So the first thing you are going to do is to this this first one. You click on this first one here. So don't go and click any of this. The first one, this one that have blue icon. Don't click on it. Wait for it. Don't know network. Inside the surface is going to be. You don't need to sign in. You don't need to log in. You don't need to do it. Just you are going to this to click on this three dotted line here. This menu, top menu icon here. Click on it, and then you see free AI video and free AI image. You choose the one that you are going for. But for the purpose of this video, we are going for the free AI video. So you just click on it. You see there are free so many AI tools there, and all of them here are free. So you just need to choose the one of your choice. For let's say you want to go with the either Sedans 2.5, 1.2.2 AI, Dream Machine AI, Hello AI, video swap, face swap. You see, you can even use this free AI to swap your face. Sedans AI, Frame Park AI, and Clink AI. Okay, let's say for example, I want to use this Clink AI here. Although they are going to display ad because this is free. This is free. They are going to display ad, but you just need to close the app. Just close the advert, and then it's going to load your type. Let me say create. I'll say create a creative art video on this product, and then once you scroll down, you see where they say upload image. There you click on it, and you are going to upload any image. You see, I've uploaded. Next go and choose the aspect ratio that you are going to use. If you are using 16 by 9, 9 by 16, if for YouTube, if for long is if it's a long video, choose 16 by 9 if you are uploading it on YouTube. If it's for Facebook, you are going to choose 9 by 16. But I'll just go with the 9 by 16. Then you click on generate video from image. Once you click on it, you see it's going to start generating the video for you. So if I want to wait for this video to finish generating, it's going to take much time. This is how you are going to do to create your image and video free. If you like this video or you gain anything inside this video, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment